Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. I'm Stacy, and today we're going to have dinner at the Blue Bayou in New Orleans Square at Disneyland. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. This is Disneyland's premier dining restaurant experience, so you're going to want to make advanced dining reservations, but you can also make walk-up reservations the day of. We started dinner out with bread service, which was actually a warm house-made bread that was herb-infused. For starters, we tried the ham and chicken gumbo, which was a really nice Cajun-spiced gumbo with rice on top, so you could choose how much rice you had in each bite. We also had the walnut salad, which was fresh greens and even had candied walnuts in it. Next up was the roasted chicken, which was served with au gratin potatoes and a really nice sauce that made it moist and juicy. The bone-in ribeye was awesome, and it was about the size of my face, so if you want a big filling meal, that's the one you want to choose. Lastly, we had the herb-crusted rack of lamb, which was cooked to perfection, and that herb crusting really set off the meal. Now, we don't have a ton of footage in here because it is really dark, but that's kind of part of the atmosphere of the whole place. For dessert, we had the chocolate hazelnut cake, which is an 8-layer chocolate cake, and if you love Nutella, you'll love this. We also had the vanilla bean creme brulee, which was personally my favorite. So what did you think? Do you want to eat here? Let us know in the comments below if you do and what your favorite dish was that you saw. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.